Hello, excuse me. Hello, eighth graders. I forgot to go over an assignment that is due this week. It's very short. It'll take you probably 10 or 15 minutes to complete. But every week you are going to need to be submitting a project reflection. So that's just you reflecting on the project that you're working on in this class, and that's what you're going to get a grade for. So I need you guys to have this turned in by Friday. If you go into Canvas, you'll see here project reflection. And if I click on that and go in there, this is where you're going to turn in. You can either type, you can just type in the text entry box. You don't need to attach anything. But it says, please type at least one paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences to reflect on the project you are working on in this class. You can answer any of these questions or generate your own to talk about your project of choice. So basically, this is a reflection, which means there's no right or wrong answers, but you are graded on grammar and spelling. So it's really important that you're putting a capital and a period at the beginning of your sentence and a punctuation at the end, and then using spell check to make sure that you're spelling correctly. But I did put some example questions here if you're not really sure how to reflect. Research shows that if you do reflect on the work that you do, learning is going to be more meaningful, and it also helps you move forward with your next steps. So for the folks that are working on breaking down the 3D printer and rebuilding it, you're going to type to answer these questions on that project. Like, how are things going? What questions do you still have? How are you feeling about it? Are you confused, frustrated, motivated? What's going well and what isn't? And what are your next steps? And then those questions are the same for my FTC team that are working on Java coding with Kian every day. I want you to reflect and answer those questions in a paragraph and turn it in, and make sure that you get that turned in on Friday. All right. That is all I've got for you guys. Have a great weekend. See ya.